Alright everyone, we're going to random off the 250 points that came out of the Illusions Mega Box on break number 20 on 5/6/21. As you can see, it is 9:10 shortly after our break. Here are all the teams. I am going to take out the Bills, and I'm going to take out the Texans because no one had purchased those teams, and I don't want to end up having the house win them. I don't think that would be right. So let's roll the 2 dice here and see how many times we're going to randomize the list. We have 4 and 4, that's 8. So we're going to randomize the list 8 times. Whoever's at the top on the 8th, after the 8th roll, gets the points. 5, 6, 7. All right, whoever the number 1 team is will get the points after this roll. Here we go, good luck. It is the Minnesota Vikings. All right, points are coming to you, Minnesota.